It's Dawn Peterson with Vivid Homes Group at eXp Realty. Thank you so much for tuning in and sharing a couple minutes with me today. I appreciate your time. So today I just wanted to take a couple minutes and talk about how to get your home photo shoot worthy. So if you're considering putting your house on the market anytime soon, you'll definitely want to take notes because I'm going to be spilling some good secrets here today on how to get your home camera ready so it's guaranteed to shine online. So when buyers see your house online, it's like a first showing. And if it doesn't show up well or stand out in the pictures, buyers are more than likely not going to schedule an in-person viewing of your home. And that's why this episode is super critical. So I bought that new rug and it still doesn't look like the ad from Pottery Barn. Can you relate to that? I know I can. Making our homes look as good as the interior designers that we follow on Instagram is not as easy as it looks, and it's actually can be very difficult and challenging. Even if you buy the same exact furniture pieces, when you go to take the photo, it might look a lot less like Pottery Barn and a little bit more like the house you lived in college. So step number one is is to declutter. So you don't want too much out, but you also don't want it to look like no one lives there. So the sweet spot is right in between lived in and model home. Start with the basics by removing your personal photos, your treasured sports trophies, all the save the dates on the fridge, including the magnets that go along with them. And how about that stack of mail that just never seems to get touched on the kitchen counter? Put away your hairspray bottles and your 8-step skincare regimen. None of that stuff needs to be sitting out on your bathroom counter either. Rearrange large furniture pieces just to see where and how you can make your space look bigger. Step number 2 is to accessorize. One of the best accessories to incorporate is greenery. A vase of fresh flowers on the kitchen island, a potted succulent on the bathroom counter, some faux green plants in a basket in the living room. Super awesome. Add pops of color. If you've followed the neutral trend, more than likely your home is a shade of white, light gray, or beige. So you'll want to break that up by adding bits of colors, and you can do that through your decorative accents. This could be incorporated in your rugs, your throw pillows, framed artwork, and any decorative vases that you would decide to use. But if you do want to keep it mostly neutral, just opt for maybe some darker shades of those neutral colors just to break it up a little bit. You can also purchase a few decorative baskets to store rolled up towels in the bathroom or any extra blankets. Remember that there's just a fine line between being lived in and, hey, we live here. So just kind of walk that fine line and pay attention to that. And don't forget to fluff in your pillows, straighten your curtains, and freshen up items before the photographer gets there. You'll also want to move furniture around and your accent pieces to see how they look best. So you're going to style, edit, and style some more. Step number 3 is to lighten and brighten. Open all those curtains and blinds before the photographer comes and just let that sunlight in. Whatever natural light there is, just let it all in. There's nothing worse than a space that is dark and dreary. Also, to increase the amount of natural light that comes in, remove your window screens and just store them in your garage. Your home will also look better from the outside as well. You can incorporate a mirror above the fireplace or any other area that will reflect that natural light coming in. Deep clean. Your house does need to be deep cleaned. Your house will shine brighter when it's done and it's nice and clean. So that means dusting your baseboards, mopping your floors, cleaning your windows, replacing and dusting any and all light bulbs that need a little extra attention will help your space show up better in photos. So prepping your home for the photographer is going to help your house shine online. Whether you're putting it up for sale or you just want it to look good in pictures on Instagram, following these tips will help. And if you're feeling stuck on what to do or what accessories to buy, I'm always happy to help. Kind of like doing that stuff. And I also do virtual and in-person walkthroughs of your home to help you optimize and create the best use of those spaces. So thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. And if you would like to learn more about what I can do for you as a listing agent, feel free to drop me a message. Thanks so much, guys, and have a great day.